Good morning everyone. In this video today I am going to show you how to open small basic and how to write simple programs. Okay, because in the class today we have just started the small basic, so for that you need to install more small basic as I told you. After that, if you press the start button, first you need to press this start button. Here is the start button. When you press that and after that you type small basic, look, this is the icon. This is the icon for small basic. Okay, click on that. This is the page of small basic, as you can see everyone. Okay, here three sections are actually there. This is called the title bar. Here you can see the title or the name of the program. Okay, after that it is called the toolbar. Here different types of groups are there. Groups name as look, file, web, clipboard and program. Okay, in the file you can see new, open, save and save as. You know that new for creating a new program, open for opening a existing program, save and save as for saving program. This is related to online purpose. This is clipboard, cut, copy, paste, undo, redo. This quick access toolbar things are there. And this is program group. Here we have run, and only about the run we have to learn here. This is called the editor. Here you can write something. Now I am going to write something. Today we have learned in the class that code I will write here and I will show you the output. And here it is called the help area. You can see whenever I am writing something, the information or hints about the line will be displayed here. Look, so as I told you in the class, for it is a programming language. Suppose you want to write your name in small basic, then how to write? Any line you want to write, for that you have to write text window. Okay, now see, another important thing is there. Okay, as soon as you start writing in small basic, the writing is very easy because they provide us this type of suggestion. Okay, no need to complete the writing also. After writing a few letters, you can see this type of suggestion will be there, and using the keyboard you can just click on the enter key after choosing the correct option. Text window, I told you the text window is an object that provides us to write something. Okay, in the output screen, the writing whatever we want to write, for that we need to write text window dot write. Look here, the suggestions are coming, so easily we can write. And what is the help area? Look here, in the help area, whatever you will be writing in the editor, you can see the information in the help area, so you can learn everything from there. Okay, after that we have to open the first bracket and giving the double inverted comma. First programming that we have done in the class is my name is, because I want to display my name. Okay, and the first bracket is over. Now I am coming to the next line. Here you have to take the value of the name. Okay, now see, if we write up to this only and we run the code, look, I am running it. Okay, then this type of thing will be there, nothing is displayed here. Okay, my name is, only this line you can see here. Okay, but I want to display my name, so that is why next line we have to write, that is name equal to, what is my name? My name is equal to, okay, text window dot read. Read is a function or method, you can say. When we write something, read here, read and read number, two types of things are there. Suppose you want to write some text or sentence, that time you have to use read function. And suppose you are writing some number like your age, your phone number, this type of number, when you are writing, that time we have to use the read number. Both are same, read and read number. We will be learning more about it. So now we are writing our name, so that is why we will be use the read function only. Read is a method. When we write that, the meaning is that we can enter some value here. You can see the changes when I run the code. Okay, look, my name is, after that the cursor is blinking. That means the software or the compiler is asking us to give some value. So here I can write my name. Okay, and press the enter key. Look here, like using this coding language you can write your name also. Same thing, the second code we have done, only I told you write your school name in small basic. That time also only you have to modify the code here. After that all the things are quite similar. Okay, so run the code, and here my school name, look, everything that the thing you need to be displayed on the screen, you have to write here only by using text window dot write. After that text window dot write, after that anything that you will be writing within the first bracket and within double inverted comma, it will be displayed on your output screen. And after writing this read function, text window dot read, whenever we are writing that, that means they are asking for some values. So run this code. Look, it is written here my school name is, so I can write here. So whenever we are writing read function, that means the computer will be asking some value, but without read function it will not ask any value. So that is why my program will not be completed. Press the enter key. Now you can see my output is clear. Okay, so like this we have to do the coding in a small basic. Only 2 things today we have learned, many more things are there to learn. So that is all. All of you watch the video. I hope it will help you to understand the chapter. Thank you all.